Yo, what's going on guys, Rebuilds Anna here, come back with a new video. Today we've got something different in the garage, a long awaited project that I've been wanting to do. Because of the channel, we're going to bring it in, get it done. Hopefully we're not going to be on too much money, but probably will be. But there's actually not that much work being carried out. So today in this video we're going to be talking about like what we're going to do and what we're going to fix. And we're going to take everything out of the inside of her and show you a couple of wee rust holes and stuff. If a lot of you don't know what this is a Mk3 Cavalier Saloon. It was originally a 1.8 petrol, but I've bought it as a shell. But I've got most of the parts, subframe and stuff, just no engine. So we're going to have source an engine, source 2 windies, front and rear, and a rear bumper. Now, I have a hatch in the field, that's why we don't really need much for the front, because the hatch actually, everything from my hatch will fit the front of this, though everything from the back obviously is different, you know, because of the longer tailgate and stuff. But anyway, guys, it's actually not that bad of a car, you know. You've got your wee typical rust bits in the Cavalier, like they're brave and clean. Anybody knows Cavalier, they have rust in there. And the wee what do you call them, wee pockets, they're looking pretty good. So obviously this car has been looked after, you know. You've got your wee minor dings and stuff there. Someone's obviously marked them all out. Now this here happened, trying to get her into the garage. We actually had to lift her with the engine crane off the trailer to get her in here. Now that was a hassle. Pity I never recorded it because my brother fell flat in his face and it's pretty funny. So yeah, other than that, their sills are pretty clean. In round, the worst bit about the whole car actually is in here. Now it's got a wee hole, you know, sometimes a wee tight hole, you know, you need to widen. So we'll have cut a wee bit out of that there and weld nice solid patches in there. It's not going to take too much. And in around the engine bit, it's actually not too bad here. It's got a wee bit of surface rust, obviously laying outside and stuff. Now chassis leg, top of your chassis leg, looks like it's rusty, but it's solid, like, well, yep, solid. So just need to grind that surface rust off. Now the R chassis leg and the battery box, usually a battery box is clean rear out nowadays. But as you can see, battery box is pretty clean too. And other than that, it is clean. Now down the R side, you've got your same hole, same place. Only she's a wee bit wider, you know, someone's obviously slipped in a bit wider. So, need to do the same this side. It's actually a wee bit cleaner too. So we're going to have cut a bit of there. Now, someone's obviously started repairing this side. But we need to go around them repairs and obviously probably DA them out and redo them, as there's probably water in behind that ice pond and stuff. And we'll do it right. Sills are class on it. And again, this quarter panel. Oh. Need to make room in this garage. This quarter panel is the same, pretty clean, in round it and stuff. Probably the cleanest Cavalier I've ever seen so far. Now, in round the back panel, sorry about this weird video, but just want to show you this back panel clean as well. Look, you can count every spot well. You won't count them, pause the video and count them, you know. And then in the you can't see in the book, there's no point even showing you, but enough of my talking, guys. So in this video, we'll start stripping out everything on the inside and crack on. So you have it, guys, that's the inside all cleaned out. Now, this is going to be a question of video. Do you just want me to take all the sound? Would it be safer taking all the sound out and pot out, every single last bit of it? I've took out most of this side. It's actually not that bad. Now, the trailer did go up through here. You can't really see it, but it riz it there a wee bit on the dolly it's just sitting on. I know you can't see down in there, but the dolly, it's actually here. It's come up a wee bit. And the only rust I can see in the inside is where it's been patched before. It's just there. They always go here. So I'm hoping the wee hatch out there is actually not too bad here. So I'll just cut a section out of this and put a new section in. Other than that, that's just like surface rust and stuff. So all that there just needs a wee bit of a good clean. So anyway, guys, I know this hasn't been a very long video because obviously we've just cleaned the inside and took stuff out and just seen what our damages are and stuff like that. But tell me what you want to see in the next video. We'll see if we're just doing the inside first, cutting the floor out and stuff, and welding the new floor or the second hand floor in, or what we see if we're starting on the outside or starting underneath her. The way we're going to do underneath her, we're thinking of actually putting the mattress down and just laying her up on her side and doing underneath her like that. Now, to me, that'd be the better way. I know you guys are probably saying best spit and stuff, but I don't really have room for a spit, so that would be the easiest way. So anyway, guys, if you want to see more videos like this here, make sure you do drop a like and drop a comment. If you want to see longer videos, drop a comment down below. But anyway, guys, that's all I've got for this video. Drop a comment to say if you want to see all the sound that our pod took out, and we'll put all new stuff in or not. Anyway, guys, this has been Rebuilds NA. Peace.